What happens when a legacy automotive giant teams up with a tech superpower to release a low-slung, ultra-aggressive shooting brake designed to completely reshape performance metrics? I am AVA. Today, we break down an incredibly bold claim coming straight out of the high-end electric sector. Is the newly introduced Aistaland GT7 truly the undisputed king of driving control among Chinese brands, or is it just pure marketing overhype? Co-developed by GAC Group and tech titan Huawei, this premium machine enters pre-sales at a striking 219,900 yuan starting threshold. It targets elite European performance shapes, looking to aggressively disrupt the established premium grid. Let's decode the raw mechanical parameters to see if its driving dynamics match the massive reputation. To see if that king of driving control title holds real weight, look past the sweeping bodywork and straight into the core chassis mathematics. The GT7 measures 5,050 millimeters in length and rides on a massive 3,000 millimeter wheelbase. But the true performance secret lies in its mechanical configuration. Aistaland throws out basic dual-motor setups to deploy a monstrous, tri-motor, all-wheel drive layout. This hardware handles torque vectoring with immense precision, allowing you to rotate the long vehicle through corners with staggering agility. The ultimate mechanical crown jewel, however, is Huawei's revolutionary XMC Smart Chassis. This active setup works in perfect harmony with a high-spec 896-line LiDAR variant on the roof. The intelligent chassis dynamically compensates for rapid deceleration forces, enabling exceptionally flat, smooth braking without any nosediving or lane veering, even after activating full dynamic steering assist. Riding on massive 20-inch 10-spoke rims, this architecture grounds the 2.2-ton platform with absolute ironclad authority. Let's evaluate the energy parameters, because a track-capable shooting brake must maintain stable performance across intense thermal cycles. Aistaland provides incredible modular flexibility by launching the GT7 in both pure battery electric and range-extended EV forms. For the absolute pinnacle of electrical performance, they have integrated a custom-tailored 102.7 kilowatt-hour Qilin battery pack, developed jointly by CATL, Qilin, and Aistaland. This isn't a standard, off-the-shelf energy cell. It is an engineered masterpiece of packaging density. When you compute the discharge mathematics, this high cell density unlocks an expansive CLTC driving range of up to 900 kilometers. It systematically destroys the range penalties usually associated with heavy, high-output tri-motor configurations. To achieve this, the platform utilizes a next-generation, high-voltage electrical architecture that radically minimizes resistance losses. The system manages internal cell temperatures with exceptional discipline during hard driving, ensuring that whether you are chasing hot laps on a circuit or cruising down the highway, the electrical propulsion loop provides continuous, uncompromised power delivery without thermal throttling. Furthermore, this customized Qilin pack optimizes the internal cooling channels by increasing the liquid cooling area by up to 4 times compared to traditional structures. This massive thermal dissipation capacity means the GT7 can sustain continuous high-power output cycles without dropping into a protective low-performance mode. It allows the intelligent energy management software to extract every single kilowatt of performance from the tri-motor setup safely. By mastering the delicate balance between high-voltage throughput, dense cell chemistry, and aggressive thermal regulation, Aistaland has built an uncompromised energy loop designed for relentless high-speed endurance and maximum charging efficiency. Step inside the cabin footprint, because the environment where you manage this performance determines the true utility of the vehicle. Aistaland, a name derived directly from the vision of AI Start New Land, deploys a highly advanced digital ecosystem. The entire user interface is governed by Huawei's slick HarmonyOS cockpit architecture, which serves as the central nervous system for the vehicle's dual-zone computational grid. It seamlessly connects with an ultra-futuristic X-pixel intelligent headlight system that projects clear, real-time navigational data, safety warnings, and path guides directly onto the tarmac ahead, turning the road into an interactive display. The spatial architecture is meticulously optimized around the driver, featuring high-end ergonomic sports seats designed with aggressive lateral bolsters to hold you firmly against intense G-forces during high-speed cornering. Look at the design language. The exterior relies entirely on light as a fluid signature, utilizing thin, elongated front headlights and a seamless, full-width rear light bar. Combined with streamlined semi-hidden door handles and an active air intake on the front grille, this cabin layout strikes an exceptional balance between high-end digital luxury and raw, focused motorsport intent. To further elevate the sensory experience, the cockpit integrates a premium, acoustic-mapped surround sound system that harmonizes perfectly with the vehicle's active noise cancellation. The materials throughout the interior are strictly selected for high tactile feedback, blending sustainable premium fabrics with precision-milled aluminum accents. Everything you touch feels substantial, deliberately engineered to remind you that you are commanding a highly sophisticated piece of performance silicon. It is a workspace designed to completely eliminate distractions. Now, let's deliver the final industrial verdict. Is the king of driving control claim just an exaggeration? No. The engineering spec sheet completely validates the title. By delivering a 5-meter tri-motor shooting brake with an advanced XMC smart chassis and standard high-spec LiDAR for under 220,000 yuan, Aistaland is launching a devastating assault on the market. Who are the immediate casualties of this rollout? This car is aimed straight at the throat of the Zeekr 001 and premium global performance icons. GAC and Huawei aren't just looking for temporary market share. They have weaponized the shooting brake footprint to claim absolute segment dominance. As the automotive landscape demands hyper-intelligent, track-focused vehicles, staying calibrated to these massive structural shifts is mandatory. To keep your evaluations at the absolute highest apex, stay linked to this node. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Activate the notification node. Stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next simulation.